Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's a boy Eldorado. Now in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of submit your video through Zojak for your VEVO channel. So without further ado, we could dive into it. First, here on the dashboard, as you can see, when you log in your account, this is the dashboard that you come to. Then you click to submit video, and what you're going to do is enter the artist name. Now for this video or for this submission, we just want to do something live, and you'll see the result of the video being uploaded and stuff like that. So first and foremost, enter the artist name. Make sure you have the correct spelling of the artist name. Name of release is Bodies. Girl. Record label is eldohradoproductions, and the release date today is the 24th, probably the 26th. So I'm going to put in 02 26 2021. The email is going to be the email that is associated with your Zojak account, and the VEVO channel, copy, paste, and I'm going to put VEVO here. Now for this option down here, it varies because I have tried submitted using choose a file method, and the file was missing whenever it was sent to Zojak to upload to the VEVO channel. However, what I would recommend in doing is upload the video to your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, or any other cloud storage platform online. After that, you will have to get a link. So for this example, I upload it to Google Drive, and I'm going to right click, get link, copy link. You can change link settings. I'm going to change link settings here, and anyone with this link, and you copy it. So for the sake of this video, we are going to test it. So we're going to paste that same link here and press enter, and here you should see the video comes up. So what you want to do is hover over it with a mouse until you see download. That means the link is working, and you're going to go back to this page and paste the link here, and then you click submit. Wait until you get this message, 24 and 48 hours, yada yada, and that's about it. So if you have multiple video sending off, you can do, you have to do it back over repeatedly for it to be submitted. And why I suggest using the URL, there's a method that was always being used, that's weTransfer method, that I used to use that method, but you have time limits on the files and to the volume of submission Zojak was getting. It happens to be that some of these files were deleted before they even reached those emails. So this upgrade to the website or to the account that you have with Zojak is really incredible, and I suggest you submit your video using this method of submitting your songs to a particular VEVO channel. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook at Eldorado Productions, and comment if I have missed out something, and I'll catch you in another video. It's your boy Eldorado. Peace out.